Well, namaste, namaskar, namaskara, swagatam, suswagatam, kasakai, Keem Show, Radhe Radhe, Joy Jagannath. This is your Sutradhar, Teesta, and welcome you all on this amazing, soulful evening where we celebrate Indian Oil Sangeet Sabha. So it's an absolute pleasure for me to welcome you all on this enchanting musical evening as we gather here tonight to celebrate and mark a journey of melodies, harmonies and rhythms that will surely captivate your heart. Music has the power to assemble all the things that is going wrong and take you to the path on a very smooth and calming effect. Not only that, today we celebrate a language that doesn't count as a language but has that ties which connects all the people over the world. It is said music has no language, ladies and gentlemen, and today we are going to celebrate that only. Our talented performers has curated and prepared an incredible lineup of songs from contemporary to new to modern to traditional. They have kept in mind the taste of individual music taste, and they will be presenting you with something that you will be cherishing for the days to come. And I guess today's evening will be a very, very memorable one for everyone present here. And to everyone who are present here with us, we are truly honored, and this celebration, this success is only possible because of your presence, because you are the true maestros that we celebrate today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and let the music transport you to the land of joy, rhythm, calmness and enjoyment. Not only that, celebrate the magic of music. But before that, let me just give you a small snapshot. Ye kya hai, what is all about Indian Oil that we have Sangeet Sabha. So it has started, it has conceived, or it has the inception here at Mumbai, not in Kolkata, but from Mumbai it started off its journey, that Indian Oil Sangeet Sabha. And today we have the privilege of presenting some of the... Yeah, I think we are good. Yes. So in Mumbai, Indian Oil has presented some amazing performers here. I have the list of the performers who have performed in Indian Oil Sangeet Sabha. So we really had the honor of Pandit Bhim Singh Joshi, we have Ustad Bismillah Khan, we have Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Begum Parveen Sultana, Jagjit Singh, Hariharan, Rekha Bharadwaj, Kailash Khel. So from the names you have just got a glimpse of how big, how grandeur this Indian Oil Sangeet Sabha is. But today here we will be presenting you some very eminent voices from the industry. But as we start, as we bring you the very first edition of Indian Oil Sangeet Sabha in Kolkata. And when we talk about Kolkata, I think we talk about culture, art, and it screams culture, or I can say it's a melting pot of culture, art, and literature all over. From the Ganga Ghats to the modern New Kolkata, everything has an art and culture to it. And when we represent, when the Kolkata people represent themselves in the world outside, we are all known for our literature, known for Rabindra Sangeet, known for these songs. So today, I think this couldn't be a better start for the Eastern Zone, because this is, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time that Indian Oil Sangeet Sabha is starting off, marking its presence in the Eastern Zone, and we have the vision of spreading our wings across Eastern India. So now let's start off, but we really do have the privilege of the presence of the eminent, the galaxies of dignitaries over here. But I'm short of names as of now, but we really have the presence of our Executive Director of Regional Services, Eastern Region, Mr. Tishto Nongri sir. We also have the presence of Executive Director Explosive, Mr. Girish Jain. But before we start off, along with other dignitaries, important dignitaries, but before we start off with this wonderful evening, I will have the privilege and honor of calling upon our Executive Director, Regional Services, Eastern Region, Mr. Jishto Nomri sir, to please come up on stage to welcome all the amazing people over here who are making it a grand, successful, first evening of Indian Oil Sangeet Sabha possible. Sir, I will request you to please come over here and give a warm welcome to everyone present here, because we truly believe music is a bond that ties everyone. By everyone, I mean dignitaries, with the customers and everyone. So sir, a very warm welcome and few wise words from you, sir. Forward, Shabha actually. Let's move forward with the next artist of the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very delighted to welcome our next artist who have been in the musical industry for decades now. Started his musical journey when he was merely a 9-year-old kid, and singing came naturally for him. Not only that, he is a student of Pandit Ajoy Chakraborty and Ustad Rashid Khan. His Bengali albums are Bhorer Alu, Tumi Nei Bole, Sharodiya, Bhuvono Mohini, and many more. He has worked in many, countless movies in Bengali and Mumbai. He is rendered with the ICC World Cup cricket theme of 2011. He has performed across India and all over the globe. Not only that, he has been awarded with some prestigious awards like ITC SRA Scholarship, R.G. Burman Award, Kalakar Award, Michi Music Award, HMV Golden Talent Contest winner, Bangla Sangeet Samman, and he is a regular face in our television. He is currently a judge at Saregamapa Bangla 2024, I must say. And not only that, he has given his voice, and his soulful music has brought amazing tint of his music and his soulful era to many Bengali and Hindi cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, sir has already told and has broken the silence who will be coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for Sri Raghav Chatterjee? So before we move forward, a genuine feedback from everyone who is listening. Kemon lagche? Darun. It is indeed a very unique.
আমি তো মোহিত হয়ে গেছিলাম।
It is actually আমরা এখানে সম্মোহিত হয়ে গেছি, that we can see. It is indeed a very, very unique blend of music, and I think everyone will agree over here যে এইরকম মিউজিক কিন্তু আমরা শুনিনি আগে। মানে হ্যাঁ, আলাদা করে বলিং ব্রাদার্সদের শুনেছি, আলাদা করে পিউকি শোনা হয়েছে, বাট একসাথে এই মার্জিং এর কোলাবোরেশনটা ইজ টু গুড। লেটস মুভ ফরওয়ার্ড উইথ দ্য ফেলিসিটেশন, বিকজ উই থিঙ্ক যে আপনারা এত সুন্দর উপহার আমাদের দিচ্ছেন, একটা ছোট্ট উপহার ইন্ডিয়ান অয়েল কিন্তু আপনাদের দিতে চায়। সো ফর দিস আই উইল টেক দি অনার অফ কলিং upon our Executive Director, Regional Services, Eastern Region, Mr. Jishto Nomri sir, to please come up over here on stage. I will request Rick sir to accompany him to stage, and I will request sir to do the felicitation of our performers today, right here in this evening. I must say, I must correct myself, the first set of performers here. So we have the Violin Brothers, and along with that we have Piyu Mukherjee over here. So sir, I will request you to please come forward, and we have a wonderful thing that we will be presenting you to the very talented, amazing performers here. Sir, I will request you, yes, from behind actually. And in Bengal, there is a tradition of Uttariyo. So I will request sir to, যেহেতু সামনে দেব শঙ্কর রয় রয়েছে, so I will request করব sir to give हाँ अच्छा আমি আগের থেকে আগে জ্যোতি শঙ্কর হ্যাঁ okay 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 we will not go it chronologically but ladies first yes so okay we will do as per your wish so I will request sir yes sir I will request you to hand over the uttariyo to Piyu Mukherjee as we are going with the ladies first concept so this is for you. Can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? With that, we also have an amazing original framed photo chitro that is from our side, an amazing memento I can say, and something that I think will go up to the walls of your home. And with that, we move forward with the next felicitation of our artist. And very much sir for a very sweet note and as sir has already said to us that actually sir has revealed to what all artists are lined up here but a small brief before they take up the stage and I leave but yes the next time you see me on stage I will not be on stage rather I will be downstairs I will be here with loads of gifts so yes you have to stay with me. But as of now, let me take the opportunity to introduce our first set of artists over here. Today, ladies and gentlemen, the first set of artists that we have is a collaboration music set, you can say. So, two of the grand names, actually, three of the grand names will be here presenting and performing right here in front of you. And as sir rightly pointed out, Violin Brothers are there and along with them we have a wonderful collaboration with Piyu Mukherjee. So today, ladies and gentlemen, Dev Shankar Roy and Jyoti Shankar Roy, fondly known as Violin Brothers, whose musical journey was under the legendary Sharod maestro Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, has taken them into renowned venues like Forum in Barcelona, Queen Elizabeth Hall in London and festival across Belgium, Morocco, France and Switzerland. Their dedication to the Indian classical music is truly commendable. Now today they are here presenting their piece of craft in front of you and a special collaboration with Piyu Mukherjee who is a very celebrated artist, singer and she has been featured in Saregamapa, Zee Bangla Saregamapa in 2011. Not only that, she is a disciple of Padma Vibhushan Dr. Girija Devi and her captivating voice beautifully carries forward the legacies of Indian classical music. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy a unique collaboration of Violin Brothers with Piyu Mukherjee. Can we have a round of applause for them? So, पहला लाइन मैं गा रही हूँ, सेकंड लाइन आप लोगों को गाना है जिनको प्राइज मिल चुका है प्लीज अपने हाथ मत खड़े कीजिएगा तो पहला गाना है ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए उसके बाद आपको गाना है कौन गाएगा ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जानी जहां महफिल शवा फिरते come okay so you have to sing the missing word अच्छा अभी वो लेके गई है फिर आप हाथ उठा रहे मतलब क्या घर में दो प्राइज चाहिए हैं नहीं देंगे हम this is the last okay so this is the last song चलिए पूरा गाना है हाँ क्या था ओ हसीना वो मेरा पोर्शन है आपको गाना गाना है वो तो हम करेंगे ना हाँ वो क्या है वो ये क्या था ढूंढती हो कौन बता पाएगा क्या था सेगमेंट में ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आइए सर आप तो खूब ज्यादा चमक रहे हैं दूर से दिख रहे हैं तो आपको तो नहीं सर चमक रहे हैं मैं यहाँ से देख पा रही हूँ कि सर चमक रहे हैं तो उनको कैसे मैं छोड़ सकती हूँ हाँ सर आइए नेक्स्ट वाला लाइन आपको गाना है चलिए तो वही तो है गेम तो वही है कि आपको सेकंड वाला लाइन गाना है
मेरे दिल के चैन आए देखो क्या चाहिए करेक्ट ना, वो मेरे दिल के चेन।
मुझे लग रहा है वो मेरे दिल के नहीं चेन, वो मेरे शर्ट की चेन लग रहे हैं। ऐसे कि आप बुला रहे हैं क्या हेल्प के लिए? बुला रहे हैं, हाँ इसको ही दे दे। अच्छा अजी सर जी सुनिए ना, अभी बैग but his performance is just starting. He's just warming it up and then we will have a blast of a evening. But before we start off, I will again have the honor of calling upon our Executive Director, Regional Services Eastern Region, Mr. Jishto Nomri. Sir, please come up on stage and welcome and felicitate Raghav here. And can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? It's your hand here. And we have a very special token of love and gratitude for Raghav here. And স্পেশাল উৎসবীয় করিয়ে আমরা রাগকে এখানে আজকে প্রথম যেটা সেলিব্রেশন হচ্ছে ইন্ডিয়ান অয়েলের সঙ্গীত সভাতে ওনাকে স্বাগত জানালাম, এবং তার সাথে সাথে একটা বলতে পারেন ইট ইজ অ্যান অরিজিনাল ফ্রেমড ফটোচিত্র ফ্রম ইন্ডিয়ান অয়েল, and along with that we have a token of love and appreciation from Indian Oil again. So we will have some amazing cute moments here and a picture perfect moments here, ladies and gentlemen. Along with that, this is a wrap from my side also. So আগাম বাঙালি নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা জানাই সকলকে। আজকের মতো আমার এখানে ইতি, বাট রাঘবের এই সবে পথ চলা শুরু বলতে পারেন। So let's enjoy this evening with more zeal, more energy, and musically let's have a blast. Thank you. This was Yasudha Dharti signing off for the day, but the night is just getting younger.